Coffee, everybody, and happy Sunday. Welcome to the Hyatt Regency Cafe Kitchen Sunday Brunch. My name is Joe Guam. Jesús mas, everybody, for spending some of your Sunday with us. Probably the most important announcement of the day is going to be that the dessert bar, with all of the wonderful Hyatt desserts that you know and love, the croffles, the cookies, the chocolate cake, the bread pudding, the tiramisu, the creme brulee, the gelato, all of the wonderful Hyatt desserts that you came here for can be found in the room that we call the salon. The salon is the room that's between the lobby side and al dente. So come on over towards the lobby section and keep on going down the hall towards al dente. And follow your nose, you'll find all the wonderful Hyatt treats for you. Jesús mas once again for spending some of your Sunday with us. Welcome everybody to the Hyatt Regency Cafe Kitchen Sunday Brunch. We're going to start this one off with the first request of the day. Shout out to Taya for this one. Here's a song from the Green Band called Love Eye. My request, song from the Green Band, everyone. What do you do when the girl you want, she doesn't want you to? And what do you do when she says she only wanna be friends with you? Yeah, it's not fair how a love can feel this way. But she didn't care, 'cause if she only hurts me, you say, I wanna love me, girl. Kissing ugly in the world. Treat you right, you know it. I'ma show you, girl, how I really feel. Yeah, yeah. Won't you calm yourself down, get out your house, ooh girl. Come on over my place, 'cause I'ma turn that frown upside down, baby. I put a smile on your face, 'cause it's not fair how love feel this way. Shouldn't care, 'cause if she only heard me say, I wanna love you, girl. Kissing, I can give my world. Get you right, you know, yeah. I'ma show you, girl, how I really feel, yeah. By request, a song from the Green Band. Shout out to Taya for that one. Here's the next request for everyone. This is a song from Stephen Bishop, a song called On and On. Down in Jamaica, they got lots of pretty women. Steals your money and they break your heart. Lonesome Sue, she's in love with old Sam. Take it from the fire to the frying pan. On and on, just to keep on trying. And a smile feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Poor Jimmy sits alone in the moonlight. Saw his woman kiss another man. No, he takes a lighter, steals the stars from the sky, puts on Sinatra, then he starts to cry. On and on, just to keep on trying. And a smile, 'cause she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. and on. I just keep on trying. In a smile, 'cause she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Sun on my shoulders and my toes in the sand. My woman's left me for another man. Oh, but I don't worry. Just dream and relax. Toss up my heart, see where it lands. On and on, on and on. I just keep on trying. In a smile, 'cause she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. I mentioned the bird's name, but my mom didn't say anything. I think she was. But when I see my mom, I'm going to say. Here's the next request for everybody. This is a song from Maoli and Brett Young, a song called In Case You Didn't Know. I can count the time almost said it's on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. Baby, you know that you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time. You had my all a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. Hop in, everybody, and welcome to the Hyatt Regency Cafe Kitchen Sunday Brunch. My name is Joe Guam. I'll be with you guys here until 1:30 today. Don't forget that all of the Hyatt desserts and the Hyatt dessert bar you can find in the room we call the salon. The salon is just between the lobby section and al dente. So come on over towards the lobby. Keep on heading down towards the hallway and follow your nose to the wonderful desserts you can find in the salon. Jesus Masi for spending some of your Sunday with us, everybody. Hop a day. You didn't know, the way you look tonight, second glass of wine, that did it. But there was something about your kid, girl, it did me think. Oh, it's time you're out. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time. You had my all a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. It's time you're out. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though tell you all the time. You had my all a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. By request. Here's the next request for ya. Gonna give a big shout out to RJ Mendiola. Here's a song called Wagon Wheel. Thank you for this request, man. Headed down south to the land of the pine, thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring down the road and praying out I see it light. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood, hoping for Raleigh I could see my baby tonight. Some rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Up in New England, I was born to me a cruising on this tropical island. Oh, baby, please the keyboard, I picked this ukulele now. North Country when it keeps getting me down. It's my money playing poker and I had a new town. I ain't turning back to living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Walking due south down a Rono, caught a trucker out of Philly and a nice long tow. He's in the west, it's the Cumberland Gap, Johnson City, Tennessee. I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know that she's the only one. If I die in Raleigh, I know I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Be mama any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. By request, again, shout out to RJ Mendiola. Here's the next request for you. Give a big shout out to James for this one. Here's a song called Blue Ain't Your Color. I can see you over there staring at your drink, watching that I sing all alone tonight. And chances are you're sitting here in this bar, 'cause he ain't gonna treat you right. Well, it's probably not my place, but I'm gonna say it anyway. 'Cause you look like you haven't felt the fire, and a little fun, and a smile, a little while. Baby, move. Looks good on the sky, looks good on that neon buzzing on the wall. Darling, it don't match your eyes. I'm telling you, that guy, it's so black and white, stealing your thunder. Baby, blue ain't your color. trying to be another, just pick you up kind of guy, trying to drink you up, trying to take you home. But I just don't understand. I'm another man. Take your son and make it ice cold. Well, I've had enough to drink and it's making me think that I just might tell ya, if I were a painter I wouldn't change ya, I'd just paint you bright. Baby, looks good on the sky, it's good on that neon wasn't on the wall. Darling, it don't match your eyes. I'm telling you, you don't need that guy. It's so black and white, stealing your thunder. Baby blue ain't your color. My request, shout out to James for that request. Thank you, James. Here's the next request for you. It's a song from Brooks and Dunn. Everybody, a song called Neon Moon. Sun goes down on my side of town. A lonesome feeling comes through my door, and the whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad tracks. Got a table for two way in the back, where I sit alone. I think I'm losing you. I spend most every night beneath the light. I'm a neon moon. If you lose, you want to know me. There's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dancing down on the beams of a neon moon. Think of two young lovers running wild and free. Close my eyes, sometimes see you in the shadow of this smoke-filled room. But telling how many tears sat here and cried, how many lies that are blind, telling my poor heart she'll come back someday. Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. If you lose, you wanna know watch your broken dreams dancing down on the beams of a neon moon. The jukebox plays on drink by drink. The words to every sad song seem to say what I think is hurt inside of me. Ain't never gonna end. Oh, and I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beam of a neon moon. From a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dream out of the beam of a neon moon. By request, a song called Neon Moon. Thank you for that request. Here's the next request for you. Shout out to Ricky Kitchichu. Here's a song from Paul Simon, everybody's song called Diamonds on the Soles of a Shoe. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoe. That's one way to lose these walking blues. These diamonds on the soles of her shoe. She was physically forgotten, but she slipped into my pocket with my car key. Said you're taking me for granted because I please you, wearing these diamonds on the soles of her shoes. I can say, ooh, everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody knows exactly what I'm talking about. Talking about diamonds in the soles of your shoes. She makes a sign of a teaspoon, he makes a sign of a wave. Says the poor boy changes clothes and puts on aftershave to compensate for his ordinary shoes. She says, honey, take me dancing. Then they ended up by sleeping in the doorway by the bodegas and the lights on Upper Broadway, wearing these diamonds on the soles of her shoes. I can say, ooh, everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody knows exactly what I'm talking about. Talking about diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Diamond on the soles of a shoe. By request, a song called Diamonds on the Soles of Her Shoes. Here's the next request for everybody. This is a song called Spam and Rice. know I like my spam and rice. Cotton picker sounds so nice. Fill your plate up once or twice with some Kellogg grain. The detox is nice and hot. The fin and Danny just hit the spot. With up in all, dude, it's in the pot. So call your friend. Was raised on a rock in the middle of the sea. Tell you where I'm from. No, it's not the island of Hawaii, but house in my Hyatt. The weather's fine and the ocean is always warm. It's heaven under the sun. It's my island of Guam. We eat a lot of spam and rice. Cotton picker sounds so nice. Fill you played up once or twice with some Kellogg grain. The details is nice and hot. The feeling Danny just hit the spine. Without being ordered, it's in the pot. Call your friend. Thank God for my life. When I moved to the States, I had to give up a lot of things. My life was oh so new. Tomorrow punch, king car iced tea, and spam served at McDonald's. But I made it through, and I always remembered my roots. 'Cause in my heart I will always be forever time more. I eat a lot of spam and rice. Cotton pickles sound so nice. Feel you played up once or twice with some Kellogg grain. The dust is nice and hot. The feeling Danny just hit the spot. Without being ordered, it's in the pot. So call your friend. By request. Here's the next request for you. Here's a song from John Legend, everybody. A song called All of Me. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. My head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, no one hitting me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. It's all of me, loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges. all your perfect imperfections. I give your all to me, give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, 'cause you give me all of you. Ooh. How many times do I have to tell you, even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down, I'm around every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. It's underwater, I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. It's all of me, love's all of you. Love your own curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. I give your all to me, give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, give me all of you. Ooh. Christopher Robin and I walked along on the branches lit up by the moon, posing our questions to Alan Neal as the days disappeared all too soon. But I wandered much further today than I should, and I can't seem to find my way back to the woods. So help me if you can. I've got to get back to the house at Pool Corner by 1. You'd be surprised, there's so much to be done. Count on the bees in the hive, chase all the clouds from the sky. Back to the days of Christopher and Robin Pooh. Winnie the Pooh doesn't know what to do, got a honey jar stuck on his nose. He came to me asking help and advice. From here no one knows where we go. So I sent him to ask on the Isle if he's there, how to loosen the jar on the nose of a bear. So help me if you can. I finally come back to the house at Pool Corner by 1. But you know there's so much to be done. Count on the bees in the hive, chase all the clouds from the sky. Back to the days of Christopher, Robin, and Pooh. It's hard to explain how a few precious things seem to follow throughout all our lives. After all said and done, I was watching my son standing there with my bear by his side. So I tucked him in, I kissed him, and as I was gone, I swear that old bear whispered, "Boy, welcome home. Believe me if you can." I finally come back to the house at Pool Corner by 1. What do you know? There's so much to be done. Count on the bees in the hive, chase all the clouds from the sky. Back to the days of Christopher, Robin, and Pooh. La 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 la. By request, a song from House at Pool Corner. Thank you for that request. Hati na sukada umita kipaingi, con un extranjero pares muy amigo. Shinti malagu how parang sangoni tunay neni. Hati na su anumita na do. Na izu kirida, na izu kirida, ikana kanai mo Dabay gogoti Gogotya Hasta ipinatay mo Na itu kirida Na itu kirida Ni kanai mo Dabay gogoti Gogotya Hasta ipinatay mo Offer parang sobi Zan kinuntungo naman Quay sa tunuhog Tingin parang magupasta Nung nagimata mo Kay ikaw na mamago Wang mamadedesitay gwini Sa kwahang nahasuhan humitagini Itu kirida Na itu kirida Ikanay mo Dabay gogoti Gogotya Hasta ipinatay mo Na itu kirida Na itu kirida Ikanay mo Dabay gogoti Gogotya Hasta ipinatay mo Thank you guys. Sienti malago ang parang sangon itunay neri. Hati yung nahasuan humitanado. Na itu kirida, na itu kirida. Ikanay mo. Gogoti, gogotya hasta ipinatay mo. Here's an extra request for everybody. This is a song from Journey, a song called Faithfully. And this song is for you, Lara. Lara, this one's for you. It's a song from Journey. Thanks, man. Jesus Moss, everybody, for hanging out with us here and spending some of your Sunday with us. Here's a song from Journey. Going out to Laura. This one's for you, Laura. Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round. You're on my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight. Sending all my love along the wire. They say that there ain't no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. Loving a music man ain't always what it's supposed to be. Oh girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully. Circle line under the big top world. We all need the clowns to make us smile. Through space and time, always another show. Wondering where I am, lost without you. Being apart ain't easy on this love affair. Two strangers learn to fall in love, and I get the joy of rediscovering you. Oh girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully. Say that the road ain't no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's for you and me. Loving the music, man, ain't always what it's supposed to be. Oh girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully. Going out to Lara, that was for you. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Here's the next request for everybody. This is a song from Mr. Van Morrison, a song called Brown Eyed Girl. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in a hollow playing a new game, lapping and a running, whoa, oh, oh, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog with dark hearts stopping at you, my brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da, la-dee-da. Whatever happened? Tuesday is so slow, going down the coal mine to Kansas stereo, standing in the sunlight and hide behind the rainbow's wall, kissing and hugging along the waterfall with you, brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da. Hard to find my way, yes, now that I'm on my own. I saw you just the other day, but my, you have grown. Can't stop memories back to Lord. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about making love in the green grass behind the stadium. You, my brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. But do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da, la-dee-da. Might request a song for Mr. Van Morrison. One more song, one more song. Thank you for that. You got it. Here's a request for everybody. It's a song from Mr. John Mayer, a song called Gravity. Thank you for this request. Gravity wants to bring me down. Oh, I never know. Oh, I never know what makes us mad with all the love that his heart can stand. Dreaming ways to throw it all away. Gravity is working against me. Gravity wants to bring me down. Oh, twice as much ain't twice as good. Can't sustain like one that could. 20 more, it's gonna send me to my knees. request, a song called Gravity by Mr. John Mayer. Server, we're gonna do birthdays right now. Who's your server? Do you know? Where is it? What's the name? Okay, we don't get it. So can you guys do one for him? Lonnie, oh, Lonnie, Happy everybody, and welcome to the Hyatt Regency Cafe Kitchen Sunday Brunch. Thank you guys again for spending some of your Sunday with us. My name is Joe Guam. I play here every Sunday from 11:30 to 1:30. You can also catch me here on the same stage on Friday nights. If you're looking for a place on Friday nights, I play right here from 6 to 10 p.m. on Wind Down Fridays here at the Hyatt Regency. If you're looking for a place with some awesome food, some good drinks, great drinks, and some good vibes, come check us out here with some live music every Friday night from 6 to 10 p.m. It's that time, everybody. We got a whole bunch of birthdays in the house. Thank you for celebrating your birthdays with us. When I call out their name, please make some noise to help us celebrate with them. First, happy birthday to Governor Eddie Calvo. Happy birthday going out to Lauren. Happy birthday to Lonnie Mendiola. Happy birthday going out to Taylor. Happy birthday going out to Miss Chong Ling. Help me sing along, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Hyatt. Happy birthday to you. On behalf of everybody here at the Hyatt Regency, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday! And we also want to wish a very happy first wedding anniversary going out to Joyce and Charlene. Happy first wedding anniversary to you. All right, here's the next request for everybody. It's a song from JD Crutch, a song called Apple Moggy. This is originally a Bee Gees song, everyone. A song called Rest Your Love on Me. Hope you all enjoy this. Okay, we're gonna push one more pause because we got a couple more birthdays that we didn't even include. We're gonna say happy birthday going out to Miss Chong Ling. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday going out to Liz. And happy birthday going out to Barbara. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Hyatt. Happy birthday to you. Here's a song from JD Crutch. Sinyatim tungo, tagitin open hagu. Tua taka hounds again, pendingo. No huli how kipagi, nan lagu kimatamu. Dapat satu meski babausangan. No tiwangi itelu. Naputi tu nai pongu Igwa huga kaigi magahit kipiyon mo Apu magigi apangong Bisangan niya ni studio Sa hongu daw Apu magigi apangong Bisangan niya ni studio Sa hongu daw Sonu ko makati ay punagu ay lohagu itenu ay magahiting nasu napurago tunay nini na mafatu naglaro kita ko dan magahit natitamo tapi ono na ina ono na nyungo Apu magigiya pangong Tapi sanganya ni studio Sa hongu daw Apu magigiya pangong Tapi sanganya ni studio Sa hongu daw shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me while Apu magigi apagong Tapi sanganya ni studio Sa hongu daw By request. Thank you for that request. right. Here's the next request for everybody. It's a song from Steve Miller Band. We're gonna mix a little bit of Shaggy in there too. Some people call me the space cowboy. Some call me the gangster of love. Some people call me Maurice, 'cause I speak of the pompatus of love. People keep talking about me, baby. People keep talking about me, baby. Said I'm doing you wrong, doing you wrong. But don't you worry, baby, don't worry. 'Cause I'm right here, right here, right here, right here at home. 'Cause I'm a big girl, I'm a good girl, I'm a lover, I'm a sinner. I'll play my music in the sun. Joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. Shouldn't wanna hurt no one. Life is one bigger party when you're still young. Who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure, but I can't tell you so. On about the long run, looking back, shorty always I mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. 'Cause you're my angel, you're my darling angel. And my peeps, you are to me, lady. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady. a song from the Steve Miller Band with a little bit of Shaggy. Folks, we got one more birthday in the house. This one's very special. We want to say happy 90th birthday going out to Senor Joe Delgado. Happy 90th birthday, Senor. Help me sing along, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Hyatt. Happy birthday to you. Here's the next request for you, everybody. This is a song from Mariana's Homegrown, a song called Inner Voices. By request, a song from Mariana's Homegrown, everybody. It's a song called Inner Voices. Hey, Jesus Mas, everybody, for hanging out with us here on Sunday. My name is Joe Guam. I'm very, very, very thankful to be able to play for you today. Jesus Mas, everybody. Sun, be your smile. And if touch me, and I'll be touching you. That's the way, yes, you know we can make it come true. To listen to the voices singing inside. They are wishes we sometimes hide. Listen to the voices singing inside to you. Yes, to you. para e como que história que wow e como que canta para sa hagu tahu. My request, a song called Inner Voices by Mariana's Homegrown. Here's the next request for you. This is a song from 3+. This one's going out to Kai and Hubby. Operation Big Jelly Bean is in the works. This one's for you, Kai and Hubby. My request. I saw you there standing under a mango tree. This beautiful woman, she looks so fine to me. And all the things that I've been searching for. She had an aerial flight in a bongo shore. She's my honey baby, my honey baby, yeah. My honey baby, my honey baby. This girl I want you to know that wherever you go, I won't be far away. And as I kiss your lips without you swaying your hips, you'll just hear me say, she's my honey baby, my honey baby, my honey baby, my honey baby. That's gonna be my time for the day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joe Guam. Zeus Mas, everybody, for spending some of your Sunday with us. On behalf of everybody here at the Hyatt, we want to wish you guys a very fun, safe, and blessed rest of your weekend and rest of your week. Zeus Mas, everybody. Have a day.